no matter what platform I put my content on, it always does well because it's just like no matter whoever you are, you can watch it. On X, like how things do well is people retweet it and it just hits a lot of people. Sure. It's not very targeted. So if you have like niche-based content, it's a lot harder to like hit that audience, especially because they don't really have an algorithm for videos yet, etc. So the answer is honestly probably the Wild Wild West. And
this video is for complete beginner who wants to learn video editing in Capcut. So the first step is to find the podcast clip which you want to edit on. Then just screen record the part you want to edit. Open Capcut and drag the clip on Capcut, as well as in the timeline. Make all the necessary cuts and make sure to remove the part where there is silence. After that, click on Ratio and choose 16:9 aspect ratio. Then select all clip by dragging and right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Then scale and adjust the video for the subject to be in the middle. Then export the clip because it will make things more easy and efficient. And make sure to export the clip in 60 FPS. After that, delete everything from the timeline and import the exported clip. Then we need to clear the background so we can make MrBeast move here and there and add any background we want to. You can select any outline if you want to, or else you can keep it simple. And now we need a green background. Click on Mask, Canva, then select the color green. Then export this clip with green background. Then delete the clip from the timeline and add the first normal clip that we exported. Now we need a background, so choose any of your want from the internet. And also every elements that are used in this video is provided in the description. So now it's time to make this first clip. Add the green screen video to the timeline as well, and use chroma key to remove the green screen, and make the strength full. And now cut the clip up too when you want MrBeast to appear. And select the clip and drag the clip down to the bottom, and apply the slide up animation from the animation tab. And also add motion blur to make the animation smooth. Now it's time to create the text. For that you can use the templates in Capcut. That's what we are going to use for today's video. Now let's add the arrow. Import the arrow clip. Use chroma key to remove the background, and then adjust the arrow as per your need. Then in order to make the arrow go behind the subject, click the 2 in the layer. Now let's begin the next part. But first, let's make the lens flare transition. Add the flare clip I provided, then make sure to scale it to full screen. Then go to Blend. Screen. As simple as that, it's done. Now it's time to create the second part.
You can watch it.
For that, hide the green screen video for some time because if you delete the rest from the timeline, it would be in trouble if we ever needed it in the future. Now let's use Leonardo AI for generating the AI image. Don't worry, it's free. And there is a way to get unlimited access to this AI, but I can't share it on YouTube. So if you want, you can join our Telegram and I can share it with you. Now just search the image and generate it. Then just download it. Then import the image to the project and the timeline. Then make sure to scale it and drag it. Now let's create the zoom in effect. Click the little diamond on the side of scale. Scale in the clip. Go to the end of the clip. Then scale up the clip. And now you have the clip with zoom effect. Now let's animate it. Use any animation of your liking. And make sure to delete the green screen video on the parts where it's not required. Now let's make the third screen. Make the green screen video second layer, so MrBeast come above the background. Drag him to the bottom. Then add the slide up animation. Then trim the clip and add the background clip. Then make it layer first. Then add the zoom 1 effect. And this is what we get. That is really smooth, by the way. And now it's time to add the second text. We are going to use the Capcut template again. As simple as that, it's done. Now let's add the background when MrBeast is talking about Twitter. Simply record yourself scrolling the screen in Twitter and import the file. Make the layer second, then scale and adjust the video. And make sure to add the zoom 1 effect. As simple as that, it's done. Now let's make the fourth part of the short. Trim the video and the background up to its part. Then hide the green screen video, don't delete it. Now to make the flare translation. Just copy the previous flare effect and paste it. Use Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Now it's time to make the last part. Again, use Leonardo AI to generate the image, then download it and import it to the project. Scale it and adjust it. And make sure to add the Zoom 1 effect. Now let's make the part where MrBeast slides up. Make the green screen visible. Cut out the rest unwanted green screen part. Make the MrBeast video second layer. And add the slide up animation. Now cut and delete the audience image up to where it's needed. And for the algorithm part, I have downloaded a stock image. Import the image into the project. Rotate the image. Scale up the image. And make the image first layer. Adjust the image and add the slide up animation. Cut the image in the green screen video till where it's needed. Then let's add the flare effect, copy it, and paste it from the previous. Now let's add the last part, the audio. Download the audio and import it into the project. Then drag the line in the audio to adjust the volume. And now your short is ready. Comment blue if you reached till the end. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and join our Telegram chat for any kind of help.